We have these Sennheiser mics where the antenna have like kind of been, eaten up. Not really eaten up, but over a period of time, I think the rubber kind of gave way, and this is what it's ended up with. I looked after them really well. I used to keep them in my socks, which is a really nice one, which I got on an airline. I thought this would be really soft and would keep it safe, but for some reason, these things got pretty badly damaged. You can see how this place is just gone. I think it's moisture or something to do with the rubber quality used in the antenna. So I decided I'd go ahead and buy this pack of shrink. I don't know what you call shrink tube, but this is the only one that I got. But they look a little thicker and bigger than what I needed, but I think it'll kind of fit this particular portion, which is much thicker. So what we'll do is, I've already tried a bit of this, but since I thought we'll have some color, I used this one, and I kind of used it once. I heated it a little bit with this hair dryer, and it seemed to work. Now I'm going to do it for the camera, and let's see how this fares. Let me give it a little bit of height so the mat below isn't damaged. So let's do this. This looks good so far. Let's go as close as we can to this, and seems to be working. So far it's okay, but I think it's not really sealing it up well. It's kind of tightened around this area, but top portion still seems loose.